Okay, so I think we are almost fresh to go. Okay, so allow me share my screen. Allow me share this screen, and we see what's next. Okay. I would like to introduce to you today's lesson, and I've told you it is third term work that we are starting today. Okay. In today's lesson, which is our lesson 2 of cradle care. Let me hope you can hear me well. If there is an issue with my sound, you can go on and tell me that, teacher, we are not getting you right. But since you are getting me right, then it's okay. I have my first shape. We are going to look at different shapes and their properties. Okay. So I have my shape. My first shape is here. My first shape is there. And this shape that I have, I'm going to put something that shows that all the sides are equal. Okay. And I would like someone to tell me what name is given to that shape. Yes, please. Mary?
It's a square.
It is a square. So what do you know about the square? How do you know that this one is a square?
It's a square. Yes, teacher.
I'm asking, how did you know that this one is a square?
The shape is of the square.
Sorry? Hello? Mary?
A square has 4 sides.
Square has 4 sides. What side? 1. Can we count,
Yes.
We count together, The first side is where,
Yes, teacher.
Oh, it seems here.
Yes, teacher.
Seems Mary's network is not right. Let me pick the chance to Joanita. Joanita. Joan?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, go ahead and tell me.
The shape that I'm seeing, it is a square. It has 4 equal sides.
So when you talk of it has 4 equal sides, what do you mean?
It shows that is a square.
Oh, okay, mute yourself, Juanita. Thank you for your answer. So my question is 1, yes, we know that this one is a square, but our question is 1, how did you know that this is a square? That's my question. What did you look at? How did you know, teacher, according to what I'm seeing here, this one seems to be square, and it has this and this. Okay, how did you know it? Okay, Ewart is saying it has 4 sides. Thank you, Ewart. Let me see the people are putting up their hands. Let me give a chance to Richie. Richie, how are you?
Yes, teacher.
Richie, how are you? Richie. Richie's network is not right, but we can still go on. Okay, may I talk to Martha? Martha,
Yes, teacher.
what figure is that?
It's a square
How did you know that it's a square? That's my question.
because it has 4 equal sides.
Has 4 equal sides. Okay, good. Good. A square has 4 equal sides. Okay, so we can go on and say, when you look at the diagram here, or the shape that is here, it is a square. And you can spell the word square as SQUARE. And the word is a square. Okay. A square has 4 sides, as one of our friends has said. The first side is here, the second one, the third, and the fourth. And another thing we have to look at, all the sides are equal. Now, if all the sides are equal, it therefore means that if this one is maybe 8, this one is also 8 centimeters, even this one 8, even this one 8. So all the sides are equal. Okay, Fidel is saying Didas, it has 4 equal sides. Good. That's why. So when you say a figure, it is having 4 sides and all the sides are equal, then you know you're talking to the square. I have another side here. Let's go to shape number 2. Yes, the reason we have said results is naming shapes and their properties, because in our second lesson we shall need them. Okay, Audrey is saying teacher. Hey, Audrey always speak. Audrey, how are you? Are you not Narubega?
Yes, teacher.
Are you not Narubega?
No,
Okay, what's your name?
I am Audrey.
Another one. I want the first one. The surname.
Namatovu.
Yes, Namato. But I always speak you. Don't complain. Now let's go to. We have an question. We have our next figure is here. Tell me which figure is that?
It is a rectangle.
Spell the word rectangle.
It is R.
Yes.
E.
Yes.
C. T.
Yes. Yes.
A. N.
Yes.
G. L.
Yes.
E. The
So,
word is rectangle.
good. So what did you base on? How comes you have said this one is a rectangle by looking at it? What are those things that you looked at and you say now this is a rectangle? Audrey.
Because it has 4 sides.
But even in the first figure we had, even this one had 2 sides. Even this one had 4 sides. Do you see it? This one also had 4 sides, but you say it is a square. Now, why do you say this one is a rectangle? Audrey,
Yes, teacher.
why do you say this one is a rectangle? Okay, thank you. Is there anybody who knows the answer? Please send us the answer. Okay, Fide is saying it has 4 sides. Yes, it has 4 sides, but even the square had 4 sides. So how do you differentiate a rectangle from a square? Okay, that's what we want to know. Let me give a chance to, oh, there is someone called P.3 Maths. What's the name of this person here? I don't know really. Let me give a chance to Cybel. Cybel.
Yeah.
Yes, please.
I am hit that it is a rectangle because it has
Yeah.
two long sides and two short sides.
So it's a rectangle. According to somebody saying it is a rectangle because it has two long sides and two short sides. Good. Okay. Let me hear from Joanita because he's also putting up the hand. Yes, Joan.
Yes, teacher.
Tell me.
That is a rectangle,
Yes.
and that is a rectangle, and it has equal sides.
It has equal sides.
Yes,
It has equal sides. Huh? Say it again. Say your answer again.
that is a rectangle, and it has equal sides.
Like in how?
Okay, let me repeat. That is a rectangle. It
Good.
has four long sides.
All the sides are long.
No, short.
Oh. All the sides are short.
No, that is a rectangle, and it has four, four sides.
Yes, I see that. I know it has four sides, which is okay. I know that. Now tell me, because even the first figure we looked at also had the four sides, but we said for it it's a square. Why do we say this one is a rectangle?
Because
Mm.
because the rectangle is
I need those answers.
the rectangle is long.
The
But the
rectangle.
is a long shape.
Okay. Thank you. That's what I hear from Joanita. Let me hear from Ewart. Yes, Ewart. Ewart. Talk to me, Ewart. Ewart Mumbere. Ewart, I'm listening to you. Please speak up. Seems Ewart is unable to speak. Let me give a chance to Jesse Lubega.
Teacher,
Yes.
the long one is the length me this side and the short one is the what? Me this side. The length is the
Sorry, Jesse, talk to me. Oh. It seems Jesse is not ready to. Okay, I see people putting up the hands, but they're not. Now, let's look here. Okay, it has two equal sides, a rectangle. That is K. Let me hear from K. Maybe Kate may be having an answer. Let me pick here from Kate. Kate, go on and tell me. Yes, Kate.
Because it has two equal sides.
It has two equal sides. Okay. Kate,
Yes, please.
do you know how to share your screen?
Yes.
Okay. Kate, I'm going to allow you share your screen and you show us those two equal sides. You share your screen, draw for us a rectangle on your screen and you show us the two equal sides. Go on, good. So which sides are equal?
This one.
Which ones?
This other one.
Show me there. The ones you have indicated.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Let me share my screen once again and we move on. So my dear ones, I've known that we do know that this one is a square, but we don't know why it's called a square. Now, when you look at my square here, it has the two sides. It has this side and this side. So the two opposite. This one is opposite to the other one on top. This one is opposite to this. These two sides are equal. Then we have got this one. This one is equal to this one. So what was missing was the word opposite. So we say this is a rectangle. That's a rectangle, and a rectangle has four sides. That's the first thing. Then the two opposite sides. Two opposite sides are what? Are equal. Okay. So those are the two properties of a rectangle. Let's go back and we have a look at the properties of what? A square. We had the properties of the square and they were here. Okay. We said that when you look at this square, all the sides are equal. A square has four sides and all the sides are equal. Simple like that. But when you look at the square, it also has four sides. Yes, it has four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. But two opposite. This one is opposite to this one. They are equal. Then this one is opposite to this one. They are also equal. So that's why we always put those two things. So therefore, the rectangle has four sides, and a rectangle, the two opposite sides are equal. Okay. That's it that we are looking at today. Then lastly, the two opposite sides. This side is opposite to this one and it is equal, and this one is also equal. Let me bring another figure here for you to tell me its name. It's there. Put up your hand if you know that figure that is there. Case, Christine, Kaganda, Robert, and others are putting up their hands. Over 10, I have over 10. So let me try to check out here. Let me see whom can I give. Let me give a chance to Alice. Alice Christine.
Yes,
How are you?
I'm fine.
You are fine.
Yes.
So Alice, can you go on? Can you go on and tell me what name is given to that?
A diamond.
A diamond. It's a diamond.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Alice is saying it's a diamond. Joanita, what do you say?
It is a kite.
It's a kite. Okay, see, we have very many answers. Martha, what are you saying?
Teacher, it's a diamond.
It's a diamond. Okay, see, the answers are coming in thick and fast. Let me hear from who? Whom have I not picked? Okay. Okay. Let me see the person I haven't picked here. I see Rich is still putting up the hand. Richie, tell me, what are you seeing exactly?
I see.
Sorry?
I see 4 lines.
You see 4 lines?
Yes.
Okay. You see 4 lines, Richie. Richie is seeing 4 lines. Thank you. Hey, I need to talk to the parent of Richie because Richie missed the class of P1 today in the morning and is studying with P3s now. So the things are hard for him. He's just seeing 4 lines. Joella.
Yes, teacher.
Tell me, what are you seeing?
I see a kite.
You're seeing a kite. Okay. Thank you. Joella is seeing a kite. Okay, now when you go on learners, let me add something else. This figure is called the rhombus. I think the word is new to us, but we have to learn it. It's called a rhombus. Can you read it together? Yes, it's called the rhombus. Yes. The figure is called a rhombus. And that rhombus is the one that all of us we are seeing. Okay. When you look at that rhombus, it has the signs and it has the properties. One of the properties we can base on is it has 4 sides. That's the first thing. It has 4 sides. That's the first thing. The first side is here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then all those sides are equal. All those sides, this one is equal to this one, and is equal to this one, and is equal to this one. So it is called the what? Rhombus. In some instances, they can also draw it like this. They can draw a rhombus like this. Let me try to draw it here. Okay. We can call it a square that is slanting. We can call it a slanting square. Okay. So this side is equal to this one, is equal to this one, equal to this one. Okay. There are some friends of mine say it is a kite. No. When we are drawing a kite, we draw the kite when this side is long, this one is also long, but these two are too short. Okay, so this is the kite. And also times you can go on and add this, the 2 diagonal lines. That is the kite. Are you looking at it? Yes, so with this one, we are saying it's a rhombus and all the sides are equal. If you don't want to call it a rhombus, a rhombus can be got from the the slanting sides. So you have one side, two sides, three sides, and four sides. Okay, or it can be like this. Therefore, let's go on and look at the properties of a what? A rhombus. What makes a rhombus to be called a rhombus? When you look at a rhombus, the signs are here. The first one, we said that a rhombus has four sides, and a rhombus has four sides. All the sides are equal, although the sides are a little bit slanting and moving somewhere. Yeah, I have another one to pick. Okay, so that is it. So that is it with the rhombus. Let me make a repeat of this. Let me make a repeat of this. We are repeating now. We started with this man called here. We said this man, all the sides are equal and the sides are 4. And the name given to that man is called a square. When you see any figure with 4 sides equal, all the sides look the same, they know that what you are looking at is called what? A square. And most of the times they put these signs are telling that this side is equal to this one, is equal to this one, and is equal to this one. So therefore you can say the square has 4 sides and all sides are equal. Let's move on. We looked at our second line here, the square, and we said the square is also like a rectangle. Sorry, a rectangle is also like a square, but what makes it different is one, that the two opposite sides are the one which are equal. This side here is equal to the side which is up. This side here is equal to the side which is here. Do you get it? So it's called the square. And someone introduced new words and said, teacher, two sides are long and two sides are short, which is also okay. These two sides are longer than these two sides. Okay, so we have said it's called the rectangle, and the rectangle has 4 sides, and all the sides, the two opposite, this word here, two opposite sides are equal. This side is equal to this side. Then this one, it means is equal. These are the opposite ones. Okay. Then we looked at this one. Many called it a diamond. Others called it a kite. Others, my friend which said that teacher, I'm looking at the 4 lines. Okay, but there are 4 lines, which is okay. So this one is a rhombus. Why is it a rhombus? All the sides are equal. It's like a square, but in that format, and it's called what? A rhombus. So when you look at this rhombus, it has 4 sides, and all the sides are equal. I went ahead and I drew for you some examples of what? A rhombus, and I've said can also be drawn in this format. Okay, we can call it a square which is slanting, a square with slanting sides. You get it? So this one is equal to this one, and is equal to this one, and is equal to this one. Okay, those ones who called it a kite, I do it for you there. I say that a kite has 2 long sides. Then these ones are short. That's why it is called what? A kite. They can even leave it here like that. But even we want to add these 2 parallel lines, sorry, the diagonals, one here, and we add another one here, and we shall make our kite. The diamond also has very many lines than that. So This is not a kite. This is not a diamond, but it is called a rhombus. Okay. Let's go next and we see. Let's go next and we see. What next are we looking at? Okay. I have that one. Oh my God. Huh? It has 5 sides. A figure with 5 sides. What name is given to figure with 4 sides? I want to see those ones who are putting up the hand. I want to see those ones who know the answer. Okay. Yes, let me lower here. The hand is first. So that I know the person who will put up the hand would like to say the answer. Okay. The first one is Martha. The first one is Martha. Martha, you can unmute yourself. You have the rights.
Teacher, it's a pentagon.
It's a pentagon. Can you spell the word pentagon?
P E N
Mm,
T
mm, mm.
G O
Mhm.
N N E.
Oh, we are lost. Let me write it. Let me write it as you are spelling it here. Let me pick my pen here, huh?
Pentagon. P E N
P E N
T A
C A
G O N.
G O N. Like that?
Yes.
Oh, it's called the pentagon. Say pentagon.
Pentagon.
Okay, thank you, Papa for Martha, Papa for you. So Martha knows that a figure which has 5 sides, it is called a pentagon. Can we all repeat? Pentagon. Can we spell the word together? P-E-N-T-A-G-O-N. Pentagon. From the let's write the word penta. Go on. Okay. Pentagon. Okay. A pentagon has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. See? We have looked now. We have looked now at a figure which has 4 sides, and we have said its answer is a pentagon. A pentagon, we have said 1, it has 5 sides, and a pentagon, that's how it looks like. Okay, a 5-sided figure. What name is given to a 5-sided figure? It's called a pentagon. Okay. Let's move on and see. Okay, let me first draw my diagram here. I have my diagram here. Okay. Put up your hand if you know that one. Okay. Put up your hand if you know that figure. If you know that figure, please put up your hand. Oh, where the Audrey is raising up the hand, and Alice Christine. Let me give a chance to Audrey Namato. Namato.
Yes, teacher.
What is that figure?
It is a trapezoid.
Oh my God. Can you spell it?
T
Mm-hmm.
E
Mm.
P
Mm-hmm.
U
Mm-hmm.
I.
Oh, let me write it. Let me write it as you spell it. Let me pick my pen here and I write it. Your set is what?
T
See? Mm-hmm.
E.
T-E.
Yes.
Oh. Uh-huh.
P
P.
U
U. Uh-huh.
I
I.
Z Z
Z.
U
U.
U
Yes.
I
Yes.
M.
Oh. Oh. Oh my God. Like this one.
Yes.
Oh, that is so sweet of you. I like the courage. So what
Teacher.
how do you call it?
A trapezoid.
We have called it trapezoid and we have written M. I thought this one was supposed to be T and you called it trapezoid.
Okay, we write T.
So side can become what?
Teacher.
Yes.
My sister Alicia
Hmm.
has said that come on her birthday on 30th.
30th is her birthday.
Yes.
I must come. Let me put it on my calendar. I'm going to come. Do eat the cake together. Alicia, I'm coming.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, I want to come and we cut the cake together with Alicia. Now, the figure is there. The first person has said, teacher, that is the trapezoid. The trapezoid. Okay, let me hear from Wangus. Let me hear from Fidel. Fidel first. Yes, Fidel.
Yes, teacher.
What name is given to the figure?
Trapezoid.
Trapezoid.
Yes.
Spell it.
T E
Yes, so I don't want you to tell me the words in here. T, capital T,
E P U Z U I T.
Oh, trapezoid. Wow, I'm learning new words today. Thank you, Fidel. You're a good boy. Let me hear from Mwangus. Mwangus,
Yes, teacher.
do you know that diagram?
Yes, teacher.
What is its name?
Trapezoid.
It's called a trapezoid. Okay, spell it. Spell it. Spell it.
T.
T.
E.
Is it like that one?
P.
Yeah.
I mean you. Repeat.
Mwanguzi, I'm not getting you. What are you meaning? I rub off this P.
Yes.
And I
All.
write what? I
You
rub
write.
all.
Yes, you rub all.
Even the T.
Yes.
Okay. My boss, Mwanguzi, tell me what do I do now?
T.
Sorry. Let me pick my pen again. T.
T.
Mm-hmm.
R.
Mm-hmm.
U.
Mm-hmm.
M.
Mm-hmm.
P.
Mm-hmm.
P.
Mm-hmm.
E.
Mm-hmm.
U.
Mm-hmm.
Teacher, first rub U.
I first rub you. I first rub you, I put what?
Z.
Okay, Z.
U.
U.
I.
Let me do this.
I.
Yes.
And the last one is T.
The last one is T. Trampazoit. Hey, good. Thank you, Mwanguzi. You can meet yourself.
Thank you, teacher.
Yes. Let me look at this trampazoit here. And I see, is the trampazoit correct or not correct? Hey, is it supposed to be trampazoit or it has another word? Yes, please. Okay. Members, I'm sorry about that, but let's move on. Okay. Okay. Mary saying, teacher me, from I know the answer. Let me hear from Mary. Mary, talk to me, Mary.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, tell me. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Go on.
A trapezoid.
A trapezoid. Go on and you say it and we go, Pronounce your name, Sorry, sound your word,
C-R.
T-R. I'm done, Mary.
A-P.
Okay. A-P. Okay.
M-A.
M-A.
Yes.
Oh, M-A. Must follow your words.
ZU.
Oh, Z U.
WIT.
WINT. Wow. And what is this word here? You have given me Mary.
Yes.
Read your word.
Trapezoid.
Okay. Another one is saying in the chat, teacher, that is a trapezoid. Today I've liked the lesson because I've gotten new words. Now, let's look here, my dear learners. We move towards the end of our lesson.
Teacher,
Yes, please.
it's a trapezium.
It's a trapezium.
Yes.
Spell it, Martha. Hey, mute yourself. I've muted you. Unmute yourself.
T
Mm-hmm.
TRU
T R U
M
M
P
P
Z
Z
I
I
U
U
M.
M. Trapezium. The answer is what?
Trapezium.
My God. Thank you. Mute yourself, Martha. So class, that's where we are. But I would like to tell you that what one is called a trapezium. That's the final answer. You can look at all your answers. Trapezoid, 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 and the trapezoid. Who almost got it right? Okay. Now, a figure which is looking like this one, it is called the trapezium. That's how it is called. And I want all of us to spell this word because I've seen it was so difficult for all of you, wherever you are. Okay. I'm going to animate all of you at the same time, and all of us are going to spell from home. Make sure if you have a TV in the background, you reduce its volume. Okay. Yes, we are all going to spell at the same time. I'm going to give the rights to each and everybody at home to spell. We are all going to spell at the same time as a class. Okay? I'm going to allow everybody to mute yourself. Okay? Yes. However, after I will take away my choice. So all of us, we can unmute ourselves now. But don't shout. Let's just unmute. We're going to start.
Teacher.
Going to kill my ears, you people. Listen. I want us to spell at the same time. One. I will say 1, 2, 3, go. When I say the word go, we shall spell together. When I've not said the word go, don't begin to spell because others have not joined us. So let's now animate ourselves and we keep quiet until when I say go, then we shall spell together. So we can animate ourselves now.
S B
No, no, no.
TRAPEZZIUM.
Okay, let's spell now together. The first one is
The word is trapezium.
you know that one is not possible. I'm picking one by one. I'm beginning with Audrey. Audrey, unmute yourself and you spell.
Yes, teacher.
Spell the word trapezium.
TRAPEZIUM. The word is trapezium.
Trapezium. Trapezium. Say it. Audrey and a friend and Alicia, go in and say the word trapezium.
Trapezium.
Not trampy, it is trapezium.
Trapezium.
Good. 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 Let me pick another person here. Audrey, you are muted. Martha next. Martha,
Yes, teacher.
mute your, tell me, read, spell the word.
TRUCRUM. P I Trapezium. TRUMPEZIUM.
The word is
Trapezium.
Yes, hello.
it's not trampy. Go and mute yourself. I won't take all my rights from you.
Yeah.
Okay. The word is not trampy, it is trapezium, which can be called a trapezoid. But let's go with the trapezium. Alice, spell.
Trapezium. TRAPEZIUM. Trapezium.
Not trampy, it is trapezium.
Trapezium.
Good. Ishara.
Yes, teacher.
Spell the word and mention it.
TRAPEZIUM. Trapezium.
Oh, trapezium. Hey, what? Ishara, mute yourself. K.
Yes, please, teacher.
Tell me, spell the word and we go on.
TRAPEZIUM. The word is trapezium.
Not trampy, it is trapezium. Hey, what? Trapezia, not trampy. It is trapezium. Okay? There is no M here to say trampé. Hey, what? Talk to me. I don't know what's wrong with your microphone. For 2 days, I don't hear from you. Ricky,
Yes, teacher.
talk to me. Spell the word.
T-R-A-P-E-Z-I-U-M. Trapezium.
Oh my God. The word is trape. I don't know where you get the M from to become trampe. That's why the spelling was hard for you. Just
Yes, teacher.
spell the word.
T-R-A-P-E-Z-I-U-M. Trapezium.
Good, good. Just let me hear from Mwanguzi. Mwanguzi.
Yes, teacher.
Spell the word.
T-R-A-P-E-Z-I-U-M. The word is trapezium.
Good, Mwanguzi. Now these ones are getting it. Ayla and Abid. Ayla. Ayla and Abid, unmute yourself and talk to me. Ayla.
Yes, teacher.
Spell the word which you see on your screen.
T R A
Mm,
P
mm,
E
mm,
C
mm,
I
mm,
U
mhm,
M.
mhm. The word is Ayla. Ayla. Ayla.
Trapezium.
No. It is
Trapezium.
let's read together. Let's read together. Ayla. Say tra.
Tra.
Pe.
Pe.
So join the two. Trape.
Trape.
Mm.
Z.
Now we have trapeze.
Trapeze.
Say trapezium.
Trapezium.
Simple like that. Tell mommy or daddy who is at home to keep practicing it because it is a new figure we are learning with P3 and others. Members, don't think that Didas doesn't love you. I love everybody here. If I've not picked you to spell, don't get annoyed. It's because of time, but I want everybody to participate. Let me hear from Gideon Onyango. Gideon, pray for us as we end our lesson. Thank you. Gideon, if you're unable to unmute yourself, then I'll give a chance to another person. Okay, then, members, I see we have some new learners who have just joined us today. I see others don't have their codes. Okay, everybody who registered received a code. So please, I'm requesting that next week we are joining in when we are using our codes, and those ones without codes will not be allowed to enter into the classes. Okay, so please take note of that. Then I wanted to talk to the parent of Richie. Where there is the parent of Richie? My boy is studying in the wrong class. I want to know what happened. Mommy Richie, are you there? Unmute yourself and talk to me.
Teacher.
Is mommy at home?
No, he's at work.
Is at work. So you have started in a wrong class. You're supposed to study with the P1s, but now you have joined with P3. So next time, read the timetable very well. Let me hear from my friend Joella, who will give us the closing prayer. Joella, go on and pray for us.
In the name of the Father, Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Joella, the prayer was not concluded, but I do request that we close from here our lesson. And Kaganda is asking, how do I get the code? I have my contacts here. I have my contacts here. Oh, sorry. I have my contacts here. Kaganda, just send me a WhatsApp on the number which is here. Send me a number. Send me a WhatsApp on the number that is here. This is 0704. Then I will give you the guidelines on how do you get the code. You just register and you get the code to allow you into the class. Thanks for learning with me. I know the parent, whether you have picked the code, we are going to put the work in Google Classroom, and we write that work from there, plus the activity they are going to be posted in now. So thank you very much. I wish say bye for today. We meet next time. I don't know which time, but we are going to meet next time tomorrow. So I would like to say bye everybody.
Bye, teacher.
Hi, teacher. Hi, teacher. Thank you for teaching us. We love you.
Teacher. Bye,
Bye.
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 Bye. Bye, teacher. Bye, teacher.
Bye.
Bye, teacher. Bye, bye, bye.
Bye.
Bye.